Okay, so we got to put the encryption keys in the keypad. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in with the master password. And I'll send that to you again. Okay, and then we want to go to host setup. And then we want to go to key management and enter keys. Yes, we do. And then password for this is all zeros. Second password, all zeros. Okay, so we need to make sure that TDES is set to TDES MAC 11. Okay, TDES MAC 11. Okay, so that's good. So now what we're going to do is edit the keys. So we go edit keys, and you can see there's master key part A, master key part B. So I'm going to send you these, and this is master key A, pin master 1, and then pin master 2. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with A. So you're going to choose A, and it's asking for the master index. So that'll be 0, 1, and then enter. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put in this block 1. We're going to put it in once, and then we're going to put it in twice. Now, here's the tricky part. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. I'll send you a picture. Sometimes you can put some tape on there and put like A, B, C, D, E, F, okay? So we're going to start off here, and we're going to go 8, 6, 6, 7, C, 4, 8, F, A, D, 9, B, 1, A, E, C. And then it's going to ask us to please verify input. Whoop. Okay, it might do this too, so I might as well leave this in here. If you leave it too long, it comes up with that. So just cancel again. And we'll do it again. Go back in there and do it. So zeros, and the second one zeros. Okay, so let's go back to edit key, and we'll do master key 1 or A. Then we're going to put the index in. It's going to be 0, 1, enter. Okay, so let's go back and do this again here. So 8, 6, 6, 7, C4, 8F, AD, 9B, 1A, E, C. Now it's going to say, please input and verify. It'll clear itself. And then we're going to do it again here. 8, 6, 6, 7, C4, 8F, AD, 9B, 1A, EC. Okay. Now we got to do the right side. So the right side is going to be block 2. So we're going to go 3, 2, 0, E, 1, 6, 7, 3, 6, 2, 2, 0, A1, BA. Then it's going to ask us to verify that. So we're going to do it. We're going to do it again. So that's 320E, 1673, 6220, A1BA. And then it says hit enter. So we're going to hit enter. Okay, so we put part A in. Now we need to put part B in, which is going to be this guy here, pin master part 2. So we go master B, and we'll put the index in there, 0, 1, hit enter. And now we're going to do this guy. So EEBB 715A 63C 6 B2 F3. And now please input verify. So we got to do it again. So EEBB 715A 63C 6 B2 F3. Okay, that's good. Now it's going to disappear here, and we're going to put the right side in now. We're going to put this one in. A 356 B 79 A B 778 A 7 D. And it wants us to verify that. So we're going to put it in again. A 356 B 7 9A B 778 AA 7D. Now it says enter. Okay, so we're going to check that to see if we did it correctly. So we're going to go cancel and then see check key here. And it says 96.3F. So if we turn this over, we should get 96.3F. That's how we know. If you did it wrong, you're going to have to do it again. And just take your time, and you can check it. That's how you check it. Okay, so let's go cancel and go back to edit key. Now let's do the Mac. So we'll do Mac A first. It doesn't have an index. Okay, this is common. It's if this comes up, just go cancel, and you just got to go back in again. You haven't lost your pin masters. You're okay. Okay, so let's go back in. Yes. And then password zeros. Okay, so we're going to go back to edit key, and we're going to start off with Mac. Okay, so here's our Mac. Part 1 is this guy here. So 9D B9 199B E69 E 8C B3, and then it's going to want us to verify. It's going to clear and verify. So we're going to do it again. This is 9D B9 199B E69 E 8 CB3. Okay, now it wants us to put the right side in. So we're going to put block 2 is the right side. Okay, so 296D 5E 5E D9 B3 7A40. Okay, and it's going to want us to put that in again. So it's going to be 296 D 5E 5E D9 B3 7A40, and then we hit enter. Okay, so that's that one. So now we just got to do Mac B. Again, there's no index, so this is B here. Start with block 1, that's the left side. 8E 1B 95 FC 289A 27 B2, and we need to verify that. It's going to clear, and we'll go back to that. 8E 1B 95 FC 289A 27 B2. Okay, let's do the right side now, which is block 2. So 0F 59 7465 9C2E 7884. Okay, and we're going to input that. Last time. So 0F59, 0F59, 7465, 9C2E, 7884. And it should say enter. Okay, so just take your time and don't rush it. If you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. So let's go and check and see if I did that right. So we'll go to check key, 18F9. So let's have a look at this guy. And it is 18F9. Okay, so that tells me I've done everything correctly. So now, just go back, cancel, out of there, and then all the way, cancel all the way back into service. Okay, just take your time, and you might screw up, and just remember, I'll send you a picture, A, B, C, D, E, F.